Hi, this is Brother Barnes. We're going to learn to name and balance compounds together. Below the video there will be a link so that you can download and cut out these, and also an answer key. Let's get right down to business. Let's match these positives and these negatives together. Hopefully I can get this matched up correctly. So if we have one positive and two negatives, that makes a neutral compound. This is a cation. These are both anions. I remember the word anion because two N's means negative. Doesn't really mean that, but it works for me in my head. This is a metal. These are nonmetals. And so how would we name this? We would look at the symbol on the periodic chart, calcium and fluorine, and we would put a IDE ending. So we would call this calcium fluoride, and write the chemical formula out here on your sheet as well. I honestly think you pretty much need to memorize about the first 20 elements on the periodic chart. I think you need to get busy doing this. We need to challenge each other and make sure we're being diligent in this. As you learn the symbols, you'll also memorize the masses and the atomic numbers and things like that, even without trying. What about this compound? Positive 2 calcium and 2 negative 1 chlorines. What would you name this one? Calcium chloride. Okay, same thing. Write the name. Take these on a piece of paper, write the name down, write the chemical formula.